Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Dazzel in her Halloween costume. Grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, we're going to start with the eyes. So we're going to draw two eyes. And then inside we're going to draw the pupil. Looking toward the inside. Irises. Light reflections. Top and bottom. Right above the eyes, eyelashes. And on this side, an eyelash. Let's fill the eyelashes and the pupil in. Right between the eyes, a little button nose, and right above the eyes, eyebrows. Draw the lower part of the eyebrow and then you draw the top part. Now we're going to draw a little smile and then the jawline. From the jawline, we're going to draw the two ears. So I'm going to draw two pointy ears. There's one. And I'm just going to draw the inner side there. And on this side, another pointy ear. There's the other one. I'm going to draw a nice curve. Not too high, just around. And you're going to connect it to the ear. And this side, just connect it to the ear as well. And then below that, we're going to draw the fringe. So there we go, there's the hair and it goes down back. And on this side, we're going to do the same thing as well. Now we want to go back to the eyelashes. Now right on top, I want you to draw two curvy lines going up. Make it round, bring it back and touch it. And then this side, make it round, bring it back, touch it. And on the end of these two sticks, you're just going to draw two balls. And this is the antennae of a bee. There we go. We're going to draw now the headband. And you're going to draw it behind these two antennae sticking out. And you're going to bring it to the ear. And then on top, we're going to draw the hair. So we're going to finish up with the hair behind the antennae and bring it back. Good. Let's color the antennae in. So we have two ponytails on both sides. We're going to make it round, so it's going to be little balls. And now we're just going to make circles. Right, the neck, and from here we're going to do the shoulder part. Draw the bottom of the sleeve. And now we're going to draw the arms. I'm going to make the arms so the hands fold. So I'm just going to draw two little arms. Then from here, I'm going to extend the arm and I'm going to extend it there as well to make sort of this V. I'm going to draw the outside arms and then we're just going to connect them. And now from here, I'm just going to draw a little hand. There we go. And there's two hands folding. Next, we're going to continue with the dress. And I want you to draw a few stripes. And let's color the stripes in. Now we're going to draw a nice dress. Make it a nice curve. And we're going to do a zigzag line to connect these two lines with each other. Both sides of the skirt. Then from there, do the wings. I'm going to start here on top. And I'm going to draw a butterfly wing. And I'm going to try to copy the same shape on this side as well. Great. And then let's do the bottom part. Smaller wing. Now we can do the inside. So first I want to follow this line, and I would think maybe my wings will look that on the inside. And then here we're going to follow this line. There. And on this side, let's maybe draw a line there as well. And then behind the ear, we're going to follow this line. There. Now we can draw a few stars. And last but not least, the legs. I'm going to do the inside of the legs first. The calf. Like that. And then the outside, I'm going to draw the knee, and on this side I'm going to draw the knee, and then we're going to draw the calf going out and thinner at the bottom. And now we're going to draw the shoes. Just bring it out. We're going to draw it nice and simple. Here we go. There's the shoe, star on the shoe, star, and then the pants. And we're going to draw the stripes. And let's color the stripes in. And there's Dazzel. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure Dazzel will look absolutely beautiful. Thank you for drawing with me. Please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else, and please click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.